Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send stars on Monopoly Go. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. The star is here on this game. Actually, it's meant to represent the worth of each sticker that you have collected. So for example, here you can see that for every stars that you've collected, you'll actually gain rewards from it for as long as you have reached a certain amount. So for example, when you go to your stickers here, there's different sets and you can see that there's 2 stars, 1 star, 4 star, 5 stars, and in order for you to send one of these stars, for example, you want to send your friend a star, you actually need to have a duplicate of those stickers that you want to send. So for example, like this sticker right here, the one with the plus icon, it's either would be a +2, +1 for as long as it's not or at first, as long as it's duplicate, then you will be able to have the option to send it to a friend. All you have to do is click on a select friend, that's at the bottom part, and this box here will pop up with all of your options for you to choose on who will be the friend that you will be sending the stars to. And that's basically it. Once you click and send the sticker with the star on, it will be sent to your friend. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.